Once you change one thing, your mindset, you can attack everything.
Discipline your thoughts. Stop thinking too much. Don't go into the past. Don't go into the future. Be in the present.
If you can dream it, if you can believe it, you can achieve it.
Don't waste your life. Set your goals high. Quit thinking about what's wrong. Start thinking what's right. You have no idea what you're capable of doing. Make up your mind today, you're going to figure it out.
Ask yourself, who would you be? And do what you have to do.
No one can save you. It's all on you.
If you have a goal in mind and you want to achieve that goal, you have to be willing to do whatever it takes.
It's up to you this year. It's up to you. The ball's in your fucking court. No more fucking around.
You stay locked in, and ultimately, you will get what you want.
They're laughing because they're noticing.
First they hate, and then they admire.
If everyone else were cheering you on, then it means you're not in the right place, because it means you're just like everyone else, and that's not where you want to be.
If they're not laughing, then you should be a little concerned about what you're doing.
And sometimes going at it alone. All the time going at it alone, because no one's going to believe it.
Only thing that you can do is win so big that all of them constantly compare themselves to you, and then you'll forget they exist.
Everybody's full of shit. Nobody knows you or what you're capable of doing.
You don't need to explain yourself to anybody. You're doing this for you and not for anybody else.
They don't know that you're working on yourself. They don't know that you're trying to develop this personal understanding of self.
Move in silence, work in silence, hustle in silence.
I will never quit. Because if you quit, you're done.
I'm a warrior. I go to the core. Nothing crushes me, nothing. Doesn't even come close. And if it does, I rise again.
I will never quit. I will persevere and I will thrive on adversity. My team expects me to be physically harder and mentally stronger than our opponents.
If people aren't adding to the mission or helping you get to the mission, they're no longer a part of the mission.
There's no hacks, bro. It's you against you.
Is the meaning of life to keep pushing towards your life's goals and dreams, and to serve as an example to the people around me that I motivate and inspire, from my kids to my team to my family to everybody.
Look around at all these soft motherfuckers crying about their lives and realize that you don't want to be one of them.